Good morning, children. We are in Unit 1, 1,000 gold coins, and we are in day 7. Okay, children. This is next one. Read it yourself. What is this? Read it yourself. Now we are going to read the given conversation, which helps you to understand it very easily. Okay. Heading is the 1,000 gold coins. For your sake, I am going to read, but this one is a conversation which you have to read yourself. Read the following story and answer the questions that follow. Let us start reading. Nasiruddin had a habit of praying aloud. So as you know, Muslims do namaz, right? They have the praying habit. But this Nasiruddin used to shout a lot. Every day he used to pray for the same thing. Every day he used to pray for the same thing and in the same way. So every day he used to pray in the same manner. His neighbor wondered about this. Neighbor means chuttupakkal valdu. They used to get wonder why he will be shouting all the time. Nasiruddin, oh God, please give me 1,000 gold coins. If you give me one coin lesser, I won't accept the money. So what the Nasruddin used to ask the God? He used to ask 1,000 gold coins. He used to say, please give me perfectly 1,000. Not lesser than 1,000, I will not accept it. I will not say okay for that. Accept means angikrinchudam. Then neighbor, I will throw him just 999 coins and see what he does. So the neighbor will be there, no? He started thinking, okay, I'll throw him 999 coins and I will see what will he do. So after that, what did he do? He throws a bag of coins. If you see here, you find this neighbor. He is Mr. Nasiruddin, and this is the bag which he wants to throw actually. So Nasiruddin, a bag of gold coins? Oh, God has answered my prayers. Okay. So after prayer, Nasruddin found a bag and found a bag of gold coins. Let me count once. Let me count. There are only 999. So he started counting and found only 999 coins. Neighbor, hey Nasruddin, you are looking very happy. So the neighbor came there. I think he is neighbor and he is Nasruddin, right? So he picked the bag. Now the neighbor came there and found him, asking him, you are very happy. Nasiruddin, yes, God has heard my prayers. Yes, God listened to my prayers. Looks into the sky. He looks into the sky and said, God listened me. Oh God, thank you for the coins. Okay, he thanked God for the coins. Then the neighbor asked, how did you accept them? How did you say okay? Nasiruddin, why should I reject them? Why should I say no? Accept means yes, reject means no. Neither, because they are not 1,000. You don't know, because they are not 1,000. Nasiruddin, how do you know that? How did you know? The neighbor, it is I who have thrown them into your house. I know because I have thrown the money to you. Nasiruddin, who said that this is your money? Who said this is your money? This money has been sent to me by God. So I got this money by God. This is not your money, said Nasruddin. Neither. It was I who threw the money. It was I who threw the money into your house. So I was the person who thrown this. Nasruddin. God chose you to do his work. You didn't do this is the thing which was done by God. You just acted. Now please go away. What did the Nasruddin say? You please go away. Then neighbor started shouting, I won't go anywhere without the money. He started shouting because that is his money, right? That's why he want to get his money back. Nasruddin, it's not your money. I tell you again and again. How many times should I tell this? This is not your money. Neighbor, okay, let us meet in the court. Then the neighbor said, okay, we will go to the king's court. Nasruddin, I am not feeling well. I can't walk all the way to the court. I am not feeling well. I can't walk all the way to the court. So as I am not feeling well, I cannot come to the court. Who said this? Nasruddin. Neighbor, then you can have my horse to ride on. So I'll make you to sit on my horse and you can come with me. Nasruddin, but I can't appear before the judge dressed in the these old robes, and I have nothing else to wear. He said, I should be dressed well because I am wearing a old dress. I don't have money to buy a new dress. I have nothing else. I have only one pair of dress and I don't have one more dress to wear. Neighbor, don't worry about the clothes. I will lend you my new coat. So don't worry, I will give you my new coat to wear. After wearing that, you can give me. Lend means giving for some time only, not permanently. Giving anything to someone for some time only. Nasruddin, okay, then I will go with you. So Nasruddin said, okay, now at the court. Neighbor, your honor. Honor means the highest one, the king. Listen to my story. Please listen what I say. This man prays loudly every morning and he told the whole story. So, this neighbor started telling what the thing happened, how the Nasruddin used to pray the God and what did he pray, everything. So, he told the whole story to the judge. Now, judge, to whom he is speaking to the neighbor. So, the bag of money which Nasruddin found is yours. So what you want to see, Mr. Neighbor? This money which Nasruddin had is your money. That's what you want to say, right?